How to perform a neuro ophthalmic exam. Menace. Menace. Being careful not to touch any hairs or creating any wind. Palpebral reflex. Touching the medial and lateral corner of the eyes. You sleeping, Oliver? Medial and lateral corner of the eyes. Oculocephalic movements. Pull the upper eyelid up and move the head from side to side and see how the eye moves with the head. The oculocephalic movements test the vestibular center and the extraocular muscles, which are innervated by cranial nerves 3, 4, and 6. Direct PLR. Take a bright light source and shine it into the eye and see whether the pupil constricts. Oliver! That's a nice direct PLR there. In the other eye, direct PLR, pupil constricts nicely. Consensual PLR, we're going to be looking at his left eye and be shining a light into his right eye. And we're going to see whether the left pupil constricts. You can see a nice constriction of the left pupil. If you're unable to visualize the pupil because it's too dark, you can very rapidly shine a light into that pupil to see if it was small as well. So now we're going to be looking at his right eye, shining a light into the left. If we're unable to see the right pupil from this distance, we can shine the light in and rapidly look to see that that pupil was markedly constricted as well. Swinging flashlight test is what they do in the movies. You take a bright light source and you go from one eye to the next, to the first eye. You're looking at pupil constriction. The pupil should keep on constricting as you shine the light from one to the other. If you shine a light into one eye and the pupil dilates suddenly instead of constricting, that is an abnormal swinging flashlight test. It's called a Marcus gun sign, and there's a lesion in cranial nerve 2. And last but not least, on your form, you can follow these neuro ophthalmic exam points. Is corneal sensation. You can take either a Schirmer tear strip or a cotton bud made into a point like this and touch the peripheral cornea. Let's see if we can get this focused for you.